Second special identities, difference of two squares. Look, if there is a to the power 2 minus b to the power 2, we will say a minus b multiplied by a plus b. Look how to apply. Example number 2, factor x to the power 2 minus 81. Look, first we have to check, is it first term a square or not? Square root of x square is x, and that's our a. Square root of 81 is 9, and that's our b. Both first and second terms are perfect, and there is a difference between. We will say x minus 9 multiplied by x plus 9 by properties. Second exercise, 9p to the power 4 minus 16q to the power 2. First check, is it first term a square or not? Square root of 9 is 3. Square root of p to the power 2, p to the power 4 is p to the power 2. And then check, is it a second term a square or not? Square root of 16 is 4. And square root of q to the power 2 is q. And that's our b. Both a and b are perfect. And there is a negative between. We will say 3p to the power 2 minus 4q and 3p to the power 2 plus 4q. And another exercise, factor 1 minus 4x to the power 2. First check, is it a first term a square or not? Square root of 1 is 1, and it is a. And check the second term, square root of 4 is 2. Square root of x to the power 2 is x, and that is b. And there is a difference between. We will say by property, 1 minus 2x multiplied by 1 plus 2x. And how to factor x squared minus 16? First we have to check, is it x squared a square or not? Square root of x squared is x, because x multiplied by x is x to the power 2. And that's our a. Square root of 16 is 4, because 4 multiplied by 4 is 16. And there is our b. And look, there is a difference between. By property, we will say x minus 4 multiplied by x plus 4. Look, there's 25y to the power 2 plus 81 is not a perfect square because there is a positive. And look how to solve 81x to the power 2 minus 1. First we have to make sure, is it the first term a square or not? Square root of 81 is 9, and square root of x squared is x, and that's our a. Square root of 1 is 1, and that's our b. And there is a difference. We will say 9x minus 1 multiplied by 9x plus 1. The last exercise. Factor 4x to the power 2 minus 9y to the power 2. Make sure the first term is a perfect or not. Square root of 4 is 2, and square root of x to the power 2 is x, and that's a. Make sure for the second term. Square root of 9 is 3, and square root of y to the power 2 is just y, and that is b. And look, there is a difference between. By property, we will say 2x minus 3y multiplied by 2x plus 3y.